A tornado outbreak is likely across the Midwest as we go into tomorrow and tomorrow evening, and the Storm Prediction Center has issued a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk of severe weather across most of Missouri, eastern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, most of Illinois, and western Indiana, western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, and northeastern Arkansas. In the orange shaded area, we have a level 2 out of 5 slight risk of severe weather surrounding that in yellow, and a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk in the dark green surrounding that. And we have, as I mentioned before, the likelihood of a tornado outbreak tomorrow, as we have a 10% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location in the yellow shaded area. We also have a SIG 2 on this region, which means we have the potential for up to EF3 intense tornadoes in areas like Hannibal, Springfield, and Peoria tomorrow. So make sure you're on guard for numerous tornadoes and a couple of strong to intense tornadoes if you live across the SIG 2 area here in the the sideways hatched zone. We have a SIG 1 areas further south in the St. Louis. Make sure you're on guard for a couple of strong to intense tornadoes in the St. Louis area tomorrow as well. Then we have a 5 SIG 1 surrounding that in the brown. Make sure you're on guard for a few strong tornadoes if you live in the brown shade area. This includes Evansville, this includes Chicago, Milwaukee, and La Crosse. And if you live in the green shade region tomorrow, make sure you're on guard for a couple of weaker EF0 or EF1 tornadoes. That includes areas like Little Rock and into Memphis, Nashville, Bowling Green, Louisville, and Indianapolis. Looking at our damaging wind threat tomorrow, we have the threat of widespread damaging winds across the pink shaded zone tomorrow from northeast Arkansas through southeastern Missouri, most of Illinois, western Indiana, western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, southern Wisconsin. We are going to be expecting widespread damaging winds up to 75 miles per hour across this pink shade area tomorrow. If you live across the red shade area, make sure you're on guard for numerous damaging wind gusts up to 75 miles per hour in areas like Bowling Green, Louisville, and Indianapolis. We could be seeing scattered wind gusts up to 75 miles per hour in the yellow shade area and isolated damaging wind gusts up to 75 miles per hour in the brown shade area as well. And looking at our large hail threat tomorrow, anywhere you see this SIG 1, we have the potential for up to baseball size hail from near Texarkana up through La Crosse, Wisconsin. And we have higher probabilities in the yellow and especially red shade areas for large hail up to baseball size. This includes areas like Hannibal, St. Louis, Springfield, and Peoria. Make sure you are parking your cars in the garage if you live across the especially yellow and red areas tomorrow for the hail threat.